guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing kind of a sit down chit chat, get ready with me. You know how it is. I'm basically going to sit down, do my makeup. I already have my base on, my brows done, so we're mainly just going to be focusing on the eye look today. And we're just going to kind of sit, chill, relax, you know, have a good time. I kind of moved you guys in a little bit closer-ish so you guys can kind of see what is going on. I might move you a little bit closer depending on how this goes. So we're just going to jump right into this. So recently I received this huge, and I mean huge, PR package from CoverGirl. As you can see right here, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. And this is all of their kind of Game of Thrones related products. It's not exactly Game of Thrones, it's just kind of like inspired almost, at least that's what I got from it. And we have oh my god. And we have a ton of stuff in here. We have eyeshadow palettes, we have more eyeshadows, eyeshadow sticks. So we're just gonna go through and kind of use some of this stuff and see what we come up with. So I got a total of 4 palettes. I have this gold one right here, which is called Rain. I have this black one, which is Overthrown. Revolution, which is this red one, and then a white one, which is called Ascension. I think that's how you say that. And I asked you guys on my Instagram stories which one you guys wanted to see me use. And a lot of you guys said you really wanted to see the red one. So I think that's what we're going to kind of do today. So here are what the palettes look like when you open them. As you can see, we have a ton of different colors in here. We have a lot of really nice transition colors. We have a lot of shimmer colors. And another thing that I'm really, really excited to try is we have these kind of like shimmery eyeshadow sticks, I guess you could call them. These are very similar to the Stila metallic eyeshadows, and we have so many gorgeous colors. We have like a copper, a black, we have a gold, purple. Oh my gosh, there's even more down here. Holy crap, there is a ton in here. I didn't even see these. Don't really know what I'm going to do for this look. Don't really know what I have planned, so we're just going to kind of jump right into it and see what I come up with. So first things first, I'm just going to move my hair back and up and out of my face, all that good stuff. And I'm going to first apply some tape on the outer parts of my eye because I really like doing like a sharp look with my eyeshadow, so I'm going to do that first. Alright, so we have the tape on and ready to go, and I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to start with the transition color, and then I'm going to go in and do my base with these cream eyeshadows. I think the first one I'm going to start off with is this little one in the corner, which is this really nice transition color, and this is in the shade Brazen. And I have not used these yet, so I don't know how pigmented they are. So I'm just going to start with a clean blending brush. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that. And right off the bat, these are very, very powdery. And I'm just going to start packing that and sweeping that into the crease just to kind of warm everything up. So as you can see right off the bat, these shadows are very, very pigmented. They are a little bit powdery, but we are getting really decent color payoff. And I'm just sweeping this up into the crease, kind of bringing it up pretty far, and I'm just going back and forth with this. So if you guys out there are also Game of Thrones fans, I want to know, what did you think of the finale? Were you a fan of it? Were you not a fan of it? Me personally, I was not a fan of how it ended. It just seemed very kind of lackluster to me. I didn't feel satisfied with the way it ended. I feel like it could have ended a lot better than it did. And I don't know, I was just really kind of disappointed in it. I feel like season 8 could have gone at least 2 more episodes to kind of wrap everything up. I feel like I just had like a lot of unanswered questions. Okay, so I absolutely love this color. This is freaking amazing. I feel like this kind of color would be really, really pretty on people with like light eyes, like blue eyes or green eyes, but and I have like really chocolatey brown eyes, and I feel like it's really making them pop. So this is a really beautiful color, really good for all different eye colors. I am obsessed with it. So here's what the crease color is looking like right now. It just, you know, it's popping, okay? I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. And I'm just going to go in and kind of darken it up just a little bit just to kind of blend it out. And for that, I'm going to use this color on the bottom, which is called Ruthless. It's just a little bit darker, kind of like almost like a brick color. I'm just going to take a tiny bit of this and just start kind of sweeping that very lightly in the crease to kind of blend these two colors together. Alright, and then I'm going to go back in with that first brush that we use and just kind of do a little bit more blending. That's probably the longest part of eyeshadow, is just like the blending process. It is absolutely insane. Like, I could probably do this for hours on end. It's a lot of work, okay? So what is new with you guys? What have you guys been up to? It was just Memorial Day yesterday and I didn't do a whole lot. I did go out to eat. And that's really about it. And the weather has been like, this is like by far the most rainy, most cloudy spring we have had in a while. Like this time last year, like I was at the beach because it was so sunny and hot. And this year it's just been like nothing but rain. It's kind of depressing. So hopefully we have some better weather coming our way, because I am just not feeling all this rain. Like usually I like rain. Usually I don't mind it too much. But like goddamn. Did you guys go camping? Did you guys go to the beach? What did you guys do? Did you go on vacation? Did you travel? Let me know. I know a lot of you, when I asked you guys on my Facebook page, I know a lot of you guys were stuck working, which I feel that on a personal level. Usually I work Memorial Day, but this year I decided to switch up my holiday list, so I no longer work Memorial Day. At least this year I don't, but every other holiday I will probably be working, but you know, that's okay. Money, money, honey. Okay, so here's how the crease is looking so far. Really freaking happy with it. Now we are going to work on the lid a little bit. I don't want to make this too dramatic, but I definitely want to use as much of these products as I can. Next, I want to go in and use some of these cream shadow sticks, and I don't know what color I want to use because I think on my eyelid, I want to go in with this black palette, which is the Overthrown. There's this really pretty color in here down in this corner. It's called Legacy, and it's just a really nice shimmer color, and I'm really feeling kind of like a shimmer lid today, so I want to see what base would be good for this. I'm thinking maybe this one right here. It's just kind of like a light color. I honestly don't know if these have names or anything. It looks like this is just in shade 006. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this and start putting that all over the eyelid. This will be a really nice base for that shimmer shadow that I want to use. So let's see how they blend. So I'm just going to kind of blend that up a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with a flat top brush, something like this, and then I'm going to go in to this black palette and grab this Legacy shade. Woo! Hot damn, that's exactly what I wanted. And I'm just packing that all over top of that base that we put. Wow, this shadow is gorgeous. I'm just going to go in with that first blending brush and just kind of blend everything together so there are no harsh lines, because I don't really want to do like a cut crease with this look. Now I want to go in and kind of darken up the outer corner a little bit just to add a little bit more dimension. And I think for that outer corner I'm going to go in with the white palette right here, and I'm going to go in with this kind of like dark brown shade, and this is called Truffles. And I'm just going to take a kind of dense fluffy brush and take a little bit of that. And next, I think I want to go in with one of these kind of, what are these called exactly? These are just the CoverGirl Exhibitionist. I guess these are just like a glitter metallic eyeshadow, like I said, very similar to the Stila ones. And I don't know what one I want to use on my eye. I feel like I'm feeling this one right here. It's just a really pretty, kind of like nudish color. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this over top of that shimmer that we did. So that's just kind of the look that I kind of came up with on a whim here. It's very kind of like warm toned, very shimmery, very glamorous. And these CoverGirl shimmer glitter eyeshadows are very, very similar to the Stila ones. So if you guys are looking for something similar, but you don't want to spend like $22 for the Stila ones, these ones are very, very close. So you could definitely get away with the same effect for a much cheaper price at the drugstore. And CoverGirl is also cruelty-free, so that's also a bonus as well. So I'm just gonna leave the top of the eyes for now, just kind of let that dry and kind of settle. Then we're gonna do some cat wing, but for now I'm gonna move on to the bottom part of my eye. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of brown eyeliner on my waterline. And then for underneath my eye, I'm gonna go in with that Brazen shade again that we first used, and I'm just gonna put that right underneath. Just kind of very lightly sweep it. And then for an inner corner highlight, I'm going to go back in with the black Overthrown palette, and I'm going to use this Legacy shade again. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eye. Next, I'm just going to go in and do a cat eye, and for that, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Get In Line Active Liquid Eyeliner, and this is just in black. Alright, so there is the winged eyeliner and the eyeshadow. Now it is time for some mascara, and for that I'm going to use a little bit of the L'Oreal Unlimited mascara, and on top of that I'm going to use the CoverGirl Total Tease mascara. This mascara I get a ton of compliments on every single time that I wear it. This is hands down like one of my new all-time favorite mascaras. If you guys haven't tried it, totally recommend that you do because it is awesome sauce. Alright, so there is the lashes done, eyeshadow is done. I'm just going to go in and clean up some of the fallout that we had here. That is one thing about these eyeshadows, is since they are a little bit on the powdery side, there is going to be some fallout. So just make sure you have like a powder brush handy, or just do your base last. But I'm really, really happy with the way this turned out. It looks very, very natural, but at the same time very kind of out there. I'm living for it. I absolutely love it. This Brazen color that we used in the crease is like, ooh, girl, it is awesome. And for highlight, I'm going to go in with this Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost. This is in the shade Summer Snow Cone. It's just a really nice kind of like golden yellow color. I feel like that would go really nice with this look. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that and just highlight all the top parts that I want to shine. Then the very last thing that we have to do is lips. So first I'm going to line them with the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Lip Liner, and this is in the shade 205 Caramel Nude. Then over top of that, I'm using an oldie but a goodie. If you guys have been following me for a really long time, then you guys very much will recognize this lipstick. This is the Rimmel London Kate collection, and this is in the number 14. This used to be like my ride or die lipstick. It is like one of my all-time favorite nudes, and I still use it to this day. So I'm just going to put this over top of that lip liner. Alright guys, and here's what the look looks like all finished up. It looks really, really good. The only thing that we're missing is the final finishing touch, and that is the crown. This crown was sent with the PR package, and how fitting is this? Thank you to CoverGirl for sending this in the CoverGirl PR package. Cersei Lannister, who, bitch? Like, what? And that is everything that I have for you today using the new CoverGirl palettes. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this makeup look. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you go down and give me a huge, huge thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you guys are new here, make sure you go down and subscribe to my channel. I do upload every 3 to 4 days on this channel, so make sure you go down and subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos from me. But until then, I will see you guys very, very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!